have a whole chicken that I chopped and cleaned, and I cut them not too big, not too small. I washed it with some vinegar, and I added some chopped onion and garlic. Now I'm about to put some pimento on there. Too much, guys. I used to do my chicken so dark. Yeah, and my sister would laugh at me and said, "Oh, you're black chicken, you're black meat." So I'm trying not to get carried away today with this browning. Damn, the color looked better in person than on the camera. Yeah. Oh, my chicken is popping today. It's popping. This I've been steaming for 10 minutes on low. I put it on 3. I haven't added any water to this. It's bringing its own water. Look at that. I did not add any water to this, guys. I just want to slowly cook my meat today. Like I said, I do it different all the time. Now I'm gonna add some soy sauce on here. That's why I didn't use too much salt, because I love to add soy sauce to my meat. Love. And this can be salty. If you use too much salt, then you use too much of the soy sauce. Then I'm gonna add some fish and meat sauce from Royal Montego. I love this thing. Love. So I'm just gonna mix that up and let everything just combine and slowly cook. Look at the color, guys. The color is beautiful. I love the color today. I love the color. Yeah. So I'm just gonna cover it here on, just let it steam. Let it steam for like 20 minutes. Just let it steam, spring its own water. Don't stir it up too much. Just leave it there. 10 more minutes, guys. This I've been steaming for, and look at that. I still have not added any water to my meat. But remember, I know we're not cooking cow foot today. So we're not gonna cook the chicken for too long, because it doesn't take long to cook. Anyways, before the 20 minutes, I'm gonna add my carrot, my bell pepper, and onion. So go ahead and just add all of that. So this is gonna cook for like 10 minutes with the meat. Slowly, guys, slowly. So if you cook it for 30 minutes, that's fine, because it's slowly cooking. So it's, yeah, the process is a bit slower, which is better too. Look at that, colorful. Yes. So I'm gonna mix that up and cover it again to just slowly cook. Slowly, can't wait. And I'm gonna make some rice and peas on the side for today. Yeah. Believe believe it or not, I still have not had any water to my chicken. I just had some ketchup to it, and I'm gonna turn it up just a bit to make the gravy, because if you continue to keep it low, it's only gonna continue springing, and I don't want the chicken to be too soft. So I'm gonna turn it up a bit to get the gravy to the texture that I'm looking for. Okay, look at that. Yes, my peeps, yes.